Okay, hey everybody, we're doing an unboxing. Let's see what's in this bad boy. I know it's in it already, but we're going to test it out. Okay, it's the MM1000 by Corsair. It's like a mouse pad that recharges and everything. If I can get it open here. Get a good view of my freezer. There we go. Okay. Those are your add-ons. Okay, so we got it set up. As you can see, it's pretty good size. This is the MM1000 Corsair Qui, what they're calling it. And it is charging my phone as we speak. So it was real easy to set up, but you're going to need two USB ports. It calls for two 3.0 ports, but I've got one in a 2.0 and one in a 3.0 because it just gets a little bit tight in there now. I'll probably switch around because certain things don't need a 3.0 that I have hooked up to a 3.0. But it has a 2-year warranty, and you see the flashing LED where it's showing where my phone is charging. So far it's working pretty good, and it was simple to set up.